Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Top Skull Talks. Today we will show you how to fix Discord JavaScript error. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So first of all, click on this icon and quit Discord, and then search here, run, and type here %app data %. Click on OK. Then from here, delete this Discord option. Then click on app data. Click on local and delete this Discord option too. Then go to your Google Chrome and search discord.com and reinstall your Discord. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe our channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.